Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Edge is not opening or responding. Now the first thing that we are going to do is head over here. We're going to open the settings and we're going to go ahead and type here reset. Or yeah, just click this one right here. Click this and then click this. So what it's going to do is that it's going to reset all the settings that you have here in your Microsoft Edge. Now, if say for example you weren't able to open your Microsoft Edge and you could not go to these settings, what you're going to do is head over to apps. So let's go ahead and type here modify or go to the installed apps, and then we're gonna go ahead and look for a Microsoft Edge. Click this one right here, click modify, and then click the repair. So it's gonna repair the Microsoft Edge of yours, and it's gonna do all of the process needed in order to download it to how it was before and possibly repair all the bugs that it is associated with. And there you go. So after doing that one, if it works, it should open automatically just like so. And yeah, that's the best way in order for you to fix problems in your Microsoft Edge if it's not opening or responding.